Fabian Andre and Wilbur Schwand composed this simple yet wonderful tune. And today you are going to learn how to play Dream a Little Dream of Me on your cello. First, we must look at the time signature and the notation of swing. Now, swinging means to not play the eighth notes regular. And so you would play the first 4 eighth notes with a bit of a saunter, but it's more of a swing. Hence, those notes are not straight. In other words, I will play the eighth notes straight. It loses its character. Hence, you must swing the eighth notes. That's what jazz is about, playing with more freedom. So don't be so strict in your technique, counting. Be on point with every half note, but don't be so technical when it comes to the rhythm. You must feel the rhythm. For the purpose of this educational video, I share the partition right here. Let us begin. In the first position, key signature is G major, so know your 2-octave G major scale. You'll be shifting to the upper third, upper second, and ending in upper third. Only 3 shifts. Everything else is in the first position. So let's jump right to the first shift here in the 4th measure. Find your A natural with your second finger on the D string. Relaxed hand, no stretching, and it's 1 on the G sharp, 4 on the B natural, 1 on the G sharp in that position. Continuing measure 4, back to F natural, 2, 1, and in measure 5, up here, playing the A with the 4th finger in the upper second position. And it's G, A, G. So yes, that is a shift. For a moment, we go back to E natural, first position, and then back to the upper second for the A and the G natural. Shifting with the big expansion to the E flat and dropping that 4 on the G natural. And then playing 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, shifting up to the E natural in upper second position and dropping the 2 for the D natural. I will play from the beginning. Here's a shift. And then you make that repeat for the first line. For the second ending, you play 0, 1, then shifting to the lower third position, 1 on the G natural, 3 on the A, 4 on the B flat, and then 3 on the A, ending with 1 on the G natural. So I will start once again at the beginning after taking the repeat, and I will play the second ending. Here it is, second ending. And you end there in the upper second. Prepare your hand for the pizzicatos. There is just so much good jazz music out there. I had the pleasure of playing in a jazz orchestra. Dream a Little Dream was one of the songs our vocalist covered. We even played this little number right here. Ba-da-ba-dee-dee. We don't play that other part. And I hope I got you in the mood for a bit more of some jazz that will be coming later on in the life of this channel. I have to make a special mention to my guitar player in the video here. She is a student of mine here in France. C'est une mention particulière, spéciale pour mon élève Fanny. So, merci à toi pour faire l'enregistrement avec moi et pour notre chaîne. Très bien, très bien. Thank you once again for watching my instructional video. Here is content on the channel you might find more appropriate. And as you travel along your own path of music discovery, I hope you understand that this is a wonderful blessing and enjoy your morning, day, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.